So, what do business owners do to generate more revenue? Obviously, we need it.
Yeah. So four ways for most service-based businesses. You either increase the number of leads or opportunities, you increase conversions, you have additional add-on sales, or raise prices. So the trick is to identify what is the lowest hanging fruit for your company. Now, I didn't say low hanging fruit. I said lowest hanging fruit because they might not any of them be low hanging fruit. They might all be a challenge. What happens though is we this is one of those topics where we just kind of get out of sorts and spun out on we need more sales, we need more revenue, and we just start taking on all these different things instead of saying, here's our four options, which one works best for us. Now, for people who have recurring customers, like maintenance contracts and stuff like that, you might also say, well, you can increase the frequency of those visits and stuff like that. But generally speaking, for service companies, those are the first four: opportunities, conversions, add-on sales, or raise prices. None of us want to raise prices. We're always paranoid about that. At least I was always paranoid about that. But the trick is to identify which of these is most likely to help us right now and put everything else aside and focus on that thing or things. If two of them are applicable, fine. But trying to take on everything is where people get out of whack. It's really simple. It's not easy, but it's very simple. Pick which one of those four is the lowest hanging fruit and laser focus on that.